Hello everybody and welcome back. Forrest here at Life Assist. Today I want to talk about the StatPak's G4 Vivo AED Sling Pack. This bag is in a class of its own with its unique look, design, and compact versatility. Bright, reflective, high visibility colors make this bag easily identifiable no matter how chaotic the scene. Large, durable zippers make for an easy opening. The bag's exterior is made of a tarpaulin nylon fabric for easy cleaning and disinfection. The front of the bag has a large clear display window with a capacity to easily fit all AEDs on the market today. The rear of the bag is outfitted with a high visibility padding and a comfortable shoulder strap that has a zippered storage pouch. The bottom of this bag has 4 durable rubber skids to help keep in place and in an upright position for easy accessibility. Moving to the back part of the bag, you will find 2 easily accessible Velcro storage pouches for all of your emergency supplies. Finally, there is also a green colored pouch specifically designed to store an M6 size oxygen cylinder tank.
Well, there you have it, the StatPak's G4 Vivo AED Sling Pack. Join me next time for another in-depth look at Life Assist EMS products.